So I have asked the question number 15. Once again, I'm reading. Choose options out of to determine picking location in ECC or S4 HANA. So let's break the answer for this. So I have read these options. Okay. Anyhow, G option is ruled out. Certain options are correct in this. Delivery item category. There is no relation between picking location and delivery item category definition. And your sales item category definition also, there is no relationship. So these two options absolutely ruled out. Storage conditions. It is available. That means while determining your picking location, okay, storage conditions is one of the parameter, but it is optional. It is there in Material Master. I have already done video on my YouTube and it is available in my courses also. Transportation group, which is related to route determination, nowhere related to picking location. Delivery document type, this is header level, there is no relation. And a plant, shipping point, and storage conditions. Here, shipping point is not there. So F and C are the correct answers. C and F are the correct answers. I'm repeating you. Storage condition and plant is the correct answer. All remaining options are wrong. Okay. I think you have learned something. You have to give a try. You have to show the interest when you wanted to learn something and put your options in comment box so that I'll come to know how much interest you are showing for learning. Of course, it's learning for me. Okay, I know all these things. So this is my YouTube channel. If you really wanted to give it a try, you can try. And this is my courses available. Okay, all these links I'm providing below this video. You can click the link and you can subscribe my courses, around 20 courses, including SD and S4 HANA, few courses specifically for real time and your interview journey. Thank you so much for joining this session. Jai Bharat. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Thank you.